Hello everyone, this is Sheetal Maria with you at Bio Ocean, and today we are here with a new topic, a topic that is entirely different from those topics that we have learned so far. So let's get into the video. Before that, if any one of you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload a video. So today's topic is all about abscission, that abscission which happens in plants. I think we all are aware about what abscission is because it's a natural process. It happens in every plant, every day, every second and all those. But still we are not well aware about what is the mechanism behind this abscission. So we are here going to learn about the mechanism behind abscission. Let's get into the video. An abscission can be defined as the natural detachment of plant organs. Which are the plant organs? Plant organs are like leaf, fruit, flower, etc. from the parent plant. Abscission probably occurs due to very low level of auxins and a very high level of abscisic acid. We all learned about abscisic acid and auxins in our previous video about plant hormones. I will be attaching a card here so that you can access those videos also. Okay, abscission actually is restricted to a distinct region in the plant, and that region is called as abscission zone. It is located at the point of attachment between the organ and the plant body. For example, we can think of a leaf and the original branch of a plant. Okay, the leaf is attached to the original branch of that parent plant through a small stem, and that point of attachment in between the small stem and the branch is the abscission zone, and the abscission actually occurs in that region. Okay, now you are clear, right? And in leaves, more than one abscission zones may be present. The cells of the abscission zone are very small, compact and densely filled with protoplasm. Fibers are absent and lignification is weak, otherwise merely absent at this zone. Just before abscission, there develops a special layer of cells within the abscission zone, and that is called as abscission layer, otherwise separation layer. The breakdown of this layer brings about abscission. And this abscission layer is very thin, soft and weak and easily breakable. And this is due to the absence of lignin and suberin in the cell walls and the conversion of pectic acid to pectin, along with the enzymatic breakdown of cellulose and pectin. And during this abscission, the middle lamella of the cellulose walls undergo dissolution, and final separation of this abscission layer occurs when its vascular bundles are broken down mechanically by wind, rainfall, gravitational force, etc. like that. I have attached a picture here which shows the abscission layer that has developed in between a plant, and there happens the abscission. You can understand from that figure. Okay. Abscission actually is controlled by a balanced interaction between auxins and abscisic acid. Auxins inhibit abscission and abscisic acid stimulate abscission. So, low level of auxins and high level of abscisic acid in an organ may induce abscission. Several other factors also promote, otherwise reduce abscission. They include extreme of temperature and water levels, increased respiration, short photoperiods, attack of parasites, action of chemical defoliants, ethylene, etc. And now let us learn what are the significance of this abscission in plants. Abscission is a self-running process which removes aged and injured organs from the plant body, and it helps in diverting water and nutrients to young leaves rather than to old leaves. As well as we can say that it is a process that is necessary for disseminating fruits and vegetative propagules, and it also removes plant parts containing waste materials. So these are all the factors which make that abscission to be a significant, otherwise an important process in the journey of a plant life. Okay, that's all about abscission. Hope you all understood about this. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment your suggestions and share it to your friends and others who are interested to learn biology. Thank you for listening. God bless. Thank you.